Hello, welcome back to my channel Awesome Learning with the next topic from the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Today's topic, children, is about central dogma. We are going to discuss about the central dogma. In the previous video, we have done about the DNA packaging. Now, the next topic is central dogma. Now, what do you mean by central dogma? Children, here the word dogma implies or means hidden. Dogma means something which is not clear or something which is hidden. So children, as you all know that everything in our body is actually protein. The hair color is protein, skin color is protein, eye color is protein, height is protein, weight is protein, whatever trait you want to see or discuss about an organism, actually that is made up of protein. So that means, can we say that the protein is our genetic material? No, we cannot. Protein is not our genetic material. Now, everything is protein because this is visible to us. Protein is visible to us. But scientists said that our genetic material is DNA. The genetic material of our body is DNA. So, that means there is some connection between protein and DNA. Somewhere they are connected. एक चीज़ प्रोटीन नज़र आ रहा है बिकॉज एवरी ट्रेट ऑफ द बॉडी एवरीथिंग इज़ प्रोटीन और वो नज़र आ रहा है इसलिए हम उसे नज़रअंदाज नहीं कर सकते. बट क्या प्रोटीन हमारा जेनेटिक मटेरियल है? नहीं, हमारा जेनेटिक मटेरियल डीएनए है. तो इसका मतलब ज़रूर जो नज़र आ रहा है और जो नज़र नहीं आ रहा है उन दोनों के बीच में कोई ना कोई कनेक्शन है. यानी प्रोटीन और डीएनए कहीं ना कहीं कनेक्टेड हैं. तो this means that there is transfer of information between DNA and protein. Yes, and this procedure of transfer actually hidden क्या है? What is hidden? The procedure of transfer. कब हो गया ये ट्रांसफ़र, कैसे हो गया ये ट्रांसफ़र, that is hidden and hence we call it as central dogma. Okay, now children, scientists, this was found out by central dogma is the discovery of Crick. The same Crick, the जिन्होंने वैटसन एंड क्रिक मॉडल ऑफ डीएनए दिया था, वही क्रिक जो थे, he was the one who gave this as central dogma. He was the discoverer and he said that DNA is carrying an information. Okay, but that information is not exhibited by DNA. Information is carried by DNA, but that information is exhibited by protein. ठीक है, इंफॉर्मेशन कैरी कौन कर रहा है? डीएनए, बट एग्जिबिशन कौन कर रहा है उसकी? प्रोटीन. तो इसका मतलब ज़रूर इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो डीएनए से प्रोटीन में पास ऑन हुई है. इंफॉर्मेशन क्या पासिंग ऑन जो है, ये जो ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन है, ये हमें तो नहीं दिखी, इसीलिए ये हिडन है. सो चिल्ड्रन, डीएनए वांट्स टू फॉर्म अ कॉपी ऑफ डीएनए. नाउ इफ डीएनए wants to make a copy of DNA, I'll just show you by drawing it along with the explanation. Now if DNA wants to make a copy of DNA, see, okay, DNA wants to make a copy, उसने अपनी एक कॉपी बनानी है. So that procedure is called replication. ये तो हमने क्लास 11 में भी किया है. When a copy of DNA is made, that procedure is known as replication. तो यहाँ पर कॉपी बनी है, यहाँ पर इंफॉर्मेशन पास ऑन नहीं हुई, डीएनए की ही एक बस कॉपी बनी. देयर इज़ नो पासिंग अप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. बट देन नाउ इफ DNA wants to form a copy of RNA. DNA wants to make a copy of RNA. So this procedure is known as transcription. It is known as transcription. Okay, And if this RNA, I don't have space, so I'll write below, but it should be written in one single line. If this RNA passes on the information to protein, so then it is known as, the procedure is known as translation. This is what is written here. Okay, so if DNA tries to make its own copy, then it is known as replication. If DNA passes on the information to RNA, then the procedure is called transcription. And if RNA passes on that information which he has got to protein, that procedure is called translation, right? But then children, there was an addition to the central dogma. See, this is how information was passing on. But then few scientists raised a question. They said that few viruses have RNA as the genetic material. We have done this in earlier, that very few viruses have RNA as their genetic material. So the question asked was, can these viruses pass on the information from RNA to DNA? That means, is this possible? Passing of information from RNA to DNA? So they said yes, and the procedure was known as reverse transcription. Okay, so the procedure was known as reverse transcription. Okay, so this was also possible, and that is why children, there is a point here, that is why in AIDS we give antiretroviral drug to the patient to stop this reverse transcription and to save the patient. बिकॉज अगर रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन हो गई तो वायरस जो है वो अपना DNA बना लेगा पेशेंट की बॉडी में, which will be more harmful. So to stop that we give the patient an antiretroviral drug, ताकि रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्शन को हम रोक सके, स्टॉप कर सके, एंड द पेशेंट इज सेव्ड. ऑफ कोर्स वी आर ओनली स्टॉपिंग द प्रोसीजर. इट इज़ नॉट अ क्योर, बट येस, इट इज़ अ वे टू जस्ट prolong the life of the patient. Okay, so this was all about